So we're here at our Folsom basement remodel. Basically what we're doing is we're adding a shower over in this corner. We're redoing the stair railing here, updating the finishes. We're going to take this drop ceiling down, drywall the ceiling, and put in some nice recessed lights rather than these old office style lights. And then we're putting new flooring in as well, which is going to be an LVP, so that if there's ever water damage again, they won't have any issues.
We just had everything cleared out for demo. They're going to be taking out the drop ceiling, all the drywall on the walls, all the trim, everything you can see, the railings on the stairs, the carpet, basically gutting the whole thing. As you can see, the demo has been completed. The guys did a great job. Today our plumbers are going to saw cut the floor and do the rough plumbing underground.
We're going to excavate the concrete floor for the lavatory, the toilet, and the shower. There's a 4-inch PVC sewer line underneath the floor that we'll be tying into to accommodate the shower, toilet, and lavatory. Then we will get inspection on it and then backfill it with stone and re-cement the floor.